let's face it, if we say what can be the sort of top two, top one even opportunities in the next decade, I think digital assets has to be among them, because it is really the intersection of financial and technology. So you're taking two of the biggest industries in the US and the world and seeing the ability to disrupt it because of decentralized blockchains and a lot of the unique features that come with crypto, especially Bitcoin. And if you think that Bitcoin is still something that's a hobby, just think about what's happened in 2022. It should really put a lot of those questions to bed. Number one, the White House has already now put together a task force to actually figure out a way for the US financial system to coexist with digital assets. That is not what anyone would have expected 5 years ago to happen in 2022. The second is take a look at conflict regions. People said Bitcoin's not money. It's not a store of value, but anyone who's been in Turkey, Venezuela, now Ukraine or Russia, they all know that when there's a rapid devaluation of their own assets and then their need to actually be able to access capital, they've all turned to Bitcoin. That's really just transformational, especially we're seeing it real time in war-torn and conflicts. But number three, I think increasingly we're going to find that debt investors, which is 55 trillion of holdings in the US, are going to realize that Bitcoin might even be a better way to generate yield and return and store value. And so for those who think the only people who are going to buy crypto are speculative investors or retail investors, that's not the case. I'd say that the best example now is Bill Gross, who is the bond king, is now buying Bitcoin. So hands down, the biggest future addressable market in the next 10 years could be or should among the top three be digital assets.